Okay, I'm going to show you how to create Start Here information in D2L Brightspace, specifically in the Content section. So what I will do is go to Content, and I want to create a new topic for the Start Here information. So what I will do is click the plus sign New Unit, to where I will need to give my unit a title, which I will give it a Start Here title, since it's going to have all the Start Here information. Then I want to make sure this is visible for students, so I will turn that toggle to visible and then click Save and Close. Now it automatically sends it to the bottom, but I want the Start Here information to be at the very beginning, so I will just drag it up with my mouse to the top. Now I need to add information within this topic, so what I will do is over here on the right, create new, and I want to just make it an assignment so students see it first. I will give my assignment a title of Getting Started in the Course. I want it to be ungraded. If I did want to have additional instructions in the middle, I could give them some instructions about how to navigate the course, all that stuff, or I could even just upload additional information down here at the bottom. But since this is the way I want it right now, it's good to go. I'm going to click Save and Close. So now it's under the Start Here section. I will show you what it looks like from a student's perspective here in a sec. Okay, so as a student now, I'm going to go to Content. Start Here is the first one it takes me to. I want to click Start Here, and then I can click the Getting Started in the Course assignment. All I have to do is go to that assignment, and I will see all that information that I have there to get started.